the day was fantastic. The result is disappointing, but it's a game of two halves in my opinion. We won the second half and we just got beaten by a better side ultimately. They're 3 leagues above us, they're doing well in their league, so credit to them. Really impressive side for 45 minutes and we couldn't quite match that. Second half we put a lot of pride and pressure on them and we got what we deserved in the end. We didn't deserve to win the game or draw realistically, but we won the second half and ultimately really proud, really pleased.
Nanabar through to the next round, you must be happy.
Yeah, I'm really pleased. Pleased that we're through, but not with the performance, especially in the second half. But it's an opportunity for us to get into the third round for the first time in terms of Cardiff Dracs. So yeah, really pleased with that part.
Disappointed with the penalty at the start of the game?
Yeah, of course. You're playing a team 3 leagues above you. We want to keep it tight for 10 minutes at least, and we gave a penalty away within 5. So not the best start. I haven't seen it back. He's claiming it wasn't a penalty, but I think it might have been. But yes, it's disappointing. But there's 3 officials there, and all of them agreed. So you know, if it's a pen, it's a pen.
Can you talk us through your goals, please?
The first one was a penalty. Maybe a little bit soft, but it was a penalty. The second one was a good ball through by Jamal and finishing to the far corner. And then the third one, Harry Trahan's run through, had a shot, the keeper saved it, and it was a tap in. 5 yards out, job there.
You know, there was a fair bit of emotion around today. Obviously, we lost a member of our a member of our committee's wives passed away. So today was all about their family and putting some pride in the jersey. And I felt we did that. I'm really proud of everyone at the club.
We come up from the league below, so we're doing better than we originally thought we were going to do. And yeah, it's happy days at the moment, really.
We got to a cup final last year and it was a brilliant day out for the club, but ultimately we didn't get promoted, so it was bittersweet. We want to really get promoted this year. Enjoy days like today, don't get me wrong, getting a big side down here, a bit of a local derby and some old faces in Nanabar who used to play for us years ago, but yeah, we enjoyed today, but yeah, let's go back to the league and get promoted ultimately.